Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm running late as usual. So today is gonna be like a day in the life vlog. So we plan on taking the boys to like a splash pad in our neighborhood. I finally made the time to go to our HOA office. I had lost my ID to access to the pool and all the other areas. Finally made an appointment to get a new ID for myself. And also we took the time to include the boys into access to the pool and a few of the other areas that we want to take them to. So on Father's Day, we did go outside and do this outside activity, and they did really well. You're saying hello? Hello? And we did really well. So we're hoping that they'll do well in the splash pad. I'm hoping there's not a lot of people so I can get, yes. I'm hoping there's not a lot of people so I can get some clips of the boys. We'll see. Do you hear the water? Hi, water. Hi, water. Joshua. Alright. Yeah. Yay! Yay, slide. Michael, Joshua. Clap, Joshua, clap, clap. Oh. Yay! Hi, Michael. Are you having fun? All the water? Yeah. It's nice, isn't it? Look who fell asleep, you guys. Joshua is not made for the sun at all. So we're gonna take them home. We're probably gonna stop and get lunch because there's no way we're making lunch at home. So we'll see you guys when we make it home. Jeez. Oh, the light looks really bad in here. But you guys, we're back home. Michael been wanting an ice cream cone. So we stopped at Chick-fil-A. He has his ice cream cone. I'm currently feeding Joshua his lunch. And I may clean the family room. We'll see. Let me show you guys. Good job, Joshua. Let me show you guys what I picked up for lunch. Is it good, Michael? Dipping his Chick-fil-A fries with inside his Chick-fil-A ice cream. It's good. Yum. Alright, real quickly, let me show you guys my lunch. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's the Cool Wrap. I always get the avocado lime ranch. And of course the lemonade. So I'm gonna see how long the boys give me for me to eat by myself. You guys, it is hours later. It's just me. After like the splash pad, it was so fun but exhausting at the same time. So when we came home, literally everybody just ended up taking a nap, including myself. So I just made it to Lowe's because I don't know if you guys been following my DIY projects or my journey. I'm like smiling because I'm so proud of myself. But I just completed the half bath, and I think I have like 2 videos out right now. Hopefully 3 by the time this vlog goes up, but I'll put that in the description box or the little eye icon if you want to check that out. I've been transforming my half bath, and I stopped at Lowe's because I'm ready to work on another project and I needed to look at a couple of items. And this guy was so kind because like Lowe's or Home Depot, they don't provide you with like individual floor planks if you want to see, you know, how it looks like. Usually only Floor and Decor does that, and he was looking for a sample for me, and unfortunately there wasn't any, so he allowed me to take a plank home for free. So I'm so happy about that. I get to compare and see which one I like in the area that I plan on working on. But real quickly, Amanda and Maggie, if you're watching, look, it's an Aldi right there. But I'm gonna close the vlog here. Thank you so much for watching, and if you're new here and you want to be part of the family, we'll love to have you. Go ahead and subscribe, leave me a comment down below, let me know what do you think I'm gonna be working on soon for my little DIY project. So until next time, you guys. Oh wait, before I do that, let me show you guys the flooring. I'm so excited. Let me show you. I don't know if you guys can see this. I need like a car mount or something, but look at it. This is the free plank. It's a lot longer than this, but this is the free plank that he handed to me, and I'm so happy I get to compare. And let me show you guys the other samples that I was able to pick up. Okay, I know they look very similar, but they're not. I'll try to post a picture if I can, but this is them right here. I am super excited. I don't know if you guys seen like the rest of the flooring of my home. It's a little bit darker than this, and I would like to kind of go a little bit brighter in the area that I'll be working in. So these are the colors I'm kind of looking into. Let me know your thoughts, you guys. But until next time, bye.